Today we will introduce the speed control mode in KincoServo Pro. First, connect the servo. Check the I/O configuration. If the enable signal is configured, make sure to disable it first. Click Operation Mode Settings to open the speed control panel. KincoServo Pro supports manual input and DIN speed index to set the speed command. The actual running speed of the motor shows in the effective target speed. Let's start with manual input mode. When using this mode, DIN speed index function must not be configured in the I/O settings. Now set the target speed. If you want a servo to reach the target speed instantly, check the option below. If not, it will run in speed mode, and you'll need to set the acceleration and deceleration values. On the right side, find the speedometer and click Settings to adjust the upper and lower display limits. You can also view the speed and time curve here. Let's check the instant speed mode, click Run. The motor will then start running at the target speed of 200 revolutions per minute. Next, let's look at the DIN speed index mode. In this mode, the motor speed is determined by a BCD code composed of DIN speed index 0, 1, and 2. Set the DIN speed 0 to 4, and check the option below. Go to the I/O configuration. Set DIN 1 to speed index 0, DIN 2 to speed index 1, and DIN 3 to speed index 2. After setting up, back to the parameter mode and click Run. Now the DIN 1, DIN 2, and DIN 3 are at low level. That being said, the BCD code is 0, so the motor runs at DIN speed 0, which is 10 revolutions per minute. Now set the DIN 3 to high level. The motor runs at DIN speed 4. You can see the effective target speed showing 200 revolutions per minute. Now set the DIN 3 to low level, set DIN 1 and 2 to high level. The BCD code becomes 3, so the motor runs at DIN speed 3, 150 revolutions per minute. Here is a list of the BCD code values. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. See you!